Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna present my work about translation strategy and quality. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Shafira Aulia Putri from Class B of Microtranslation lesson with student number V01200059. Okay, let me share screen first. So here is a descriptive text with title Burj Khalifa. And then below the text, there is a table contain source text, target text, which is Bahasa Indonesia, and my analysis about translation strategy and translation quality. We begin from first sentence in paragraph 1. The source text is the Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building. And then the translator translate it to Burj Khalifa adalah gedung tertinggi di dunia. The strategy used in this sentence is establish equivalent and pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa sentence. For the quality, I think is good. So accuracy 3, acceptability 3, and readability 3. Next, we move on to the second sentence. The translator translate it to tingginya mengejutkan 828 meter menjulang di atas Dubai. The strategy is still the same, establish equivalent and pure borrowing in the name of countries Dubai. For the quality in this sentence is good for accuracy, but for acceptability and readability is not good enough. In this sentence, tingginya mengejutkan. Because I think the height referred here is not clear what height is the translator mean. Next, the third sentence translate it to tingginya 3 kali lebih tinggi dari Menara Eiffel dan hampir 2 kali lebih tinggi dari Empire State Building. The strategy is establish equivalent and pure borrowing in Empire State Building sentence. For the quality, accuracy 3, but for acceptability and readability is 2, not good enough, because I think Empire State Building can be translated such as Gedung Empire State. And the translator should give the information about what Empire State Building is. Next sentence translate to diletakkan ujung ke ujung, potongan-potongannya membentang lebih dari 1/4 jalan di seluruh dunia. The strategy used in the sentence is establish equivalent and the quality, accuracy 3, acceptability 3, but readability 2. Because I don't get what potongan-potongannya mean. Next, the sentence translate it to ketinggiannya yang menembus awan tentu saja merupakan salah satu fakta paling mengesankan tentang Burj Khalifa. The strategy used in the sentence is establish equivalent and pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa. And the quality in the sentence, I think good, so 3 for all of them. Next, we move on to paragraph 2, first sentence. The translator translate it to fakta Burj Khalifa yang benar-benar dapat Anda tepuk tangannya adalah keberlanjutan dan penggunaan kembali sumber dayanya. The strategy used in the sentence is establish equivalent and then pure borrowing, Burj Khalifa, and modulation in word you. So you is non-formal. The translator translate it to Anda. Anda is formal. For quality in the sentence is good, so 3, 3, and 3. Next, the second sentence is every year 15 million gallons of water are collected sustainable. The translator translate it to setiap tahun 15 juta galon air dikumpulkan secara berkelanjutan. The strategy used in this sentence is establish equivalent, and for the quality, accuracy 3, readability is 3 too, so good, but for the acceptability, not good enough, so I give 2 because in the sentence, less comma after adverb of time. So after setiap tahun must be a comma. Next, we move on to the third sentence. Air digunakan untuk irigasi, untuk menyirami landscape dan tanaman, untuk sistem pendingin, dan untuk menyediakan air mancur Dubai. The strategy is established equivalent, modulation in word irrigation, and pure borrowing in word Dubai. For the quality, 3 for accuracy, 3 for acceptability, but 2 for readability because I think something missing after word air. The translator don't give an information about what water is this or whose water is this. And then beside that, there is a repetition in word untuk. This untuk. Okay, next we move on to paragraph 3, first sentence. The translator translate it to beberapa hal sepele Burj Khalifa tentang lift adalah gedung ini memiliki lift tunggal terpanjang, yaitu 140 lantai. The strategy is established equivalent, pure borrowing, Burj Khalifa, and amplification in word ini, and the last is reduction in word running. In the sentence, the quality is good, so 3, 3, 3. Next, second sentence, translate it to kecepatan lift Burj Khalifa adalah 10 meter per detik. Menjadikan lift tercepat di dunia. The strategy is established equivalent, pure borrowing, and reduction in word amount. For the quality, I think 2 for accuracy because the translator not translate word amount. This among. So the meaning between search text and target text is different. Okay, for the next quality is acceptability. I think good, so 3, but for readability is 2. Because sentence after comma menjadikan lift tercepat di dunia feel something missing, I think. Okay, next. We move to the third sentence. Waktu lift Burj Khalifa untuk mencapai dek observasi di lantai 124 hanya 1 menit. The strategy is established equivalent and pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa sentence and naturalized borrowing in word deck become deck. The quality is good for accuracy and acceptability, but not good enough for readability because word deck is not familiar in Indonesia. Next, paragraph 4, first sentence is one of the most mind-blowing Burj Khalifa fact is how much the materials weigh. The translator translate it to salah satu fakta Burj Khalifa yang paling mengejutkan adalah berapa berat bahannya. The strategy used in the sentence is established equivalent and pure borrowing. For the quality, 3 for accuracy, 3, 2 for readability, but 2 for acceptability because in the sentence, word berapa is question word, but there is no question mark at the end of the sentence. So the sentence not accept in Indonesia. Next, we move on to the second sentence. The translator translate itu sebagai perbandingan berat beton itu setara dengan 100.000 gajah. The strategy used is established equivalent, modulation in to put things into perspective become sebagai perbandingan. For the quality is good, so 3 for all of them. Next, the translator translate this sentence to aluminium yang digunakan Burj Khalifa seberat 5 pesawat A380. The strategy used is established equivalent, pure borrowing in Burj Khalifa, and then reduction in the total weight, and the last is modulation in equivalent to that become seberat. For this sentence, the quality is good too, so 3 for all of them. Next. Beside the building is designed to resemble the Hymenocallis flower. Selain itu, puncaknya seperti bunga Hymenocallis. For the strategy is establish equivalent and then pure borrowing in the word of flower Hymenocallis, and then reduction in the building is designed to resemble the, and the last strategy is amplification in puncaknya. So for the quality in the sentence is 2, I think, for the accuracy because the translator use reduction strategy, and because of that, the meaning for the source text and target text is different. And then the quality for acceptability is good, 3, but for readability is 2. Because I don't know what Hymenocallis flower is. Next, the last sentence, the translator translate it to, inti puncak muncul di bagian atas dan berpuncak pada puncak menara yang terpahat. The strategy used in the sentence is establish equivalent and amplification in word bagian. For the quality, I think good for accuracy and acceptability, but for readability, not good enough, so I give 2 because I don't get what this sentence means. Okay, I think that's all from me. Hope you understand and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya!